Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up company announcement in PO Central system. In the system, go to admin module, look for manage announcement. In this page, you can see a list of announcement. And if you want to create a new announcement, very simple, key in the content, select the display date from which date to which date, and also the display time, and submit. Let's try one. Let's say I put it company date and submit. There you go, the announcement added successfully, and there are two ways for you to check the announcement. One way, you can check in the right top corner, there's a quick info. Click on it and you can see the announcement over here. Or you can check from the mobile app. Go to mobile app, look for announcement. There you go.